In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable quiet mode in Photoshop to reduce pop-up notifications and distractions while you work. If Photoshop keeps interrupting your workflow with constant helpful messages and alerts, this quick setting change can make a big difference. Quiet mode is designed to reduce unnecessary notifications, so you can stay focused on your editing, design work, or any creative project without being pulled away every few minutes. It only takes a moment to turn on, and once it's enabled, your workspace can feel much cleaner and less distracting. To get started, open Photoshop and look at the top menu. Click Edit, then go down to Preferences, and from there select Notifications. This will open the Notification Settings panel, which is where Photoshop gives you control over the kinds of alerts and messages you see while using the program. Once you're inside the notification settings, take a moment to look through the available options. You'll see that Photoshop includes several settings related to notifications and alert behavior. The one you want here is Quiet Mode. By default, this option is turned off, which is why Photoshop may be showing more pop-ups than you want during your work sessions. To enable it, simply check the box next to Enable Quiet Mode. That's all you need to do. This tells Photoshop to reduce those less important interruptions, helping you keep your attention on the task in front of you. It's a small change, but it can have a noticeable impact, especially if you spend long stretches of time editing and want a smoother, more uninterrupted experience. After you've enabled Quiet Mode, close the Preferences window. Photoshop will automatically save the change, so there's no extra Save button to click and no additional setup required. Once the window is closed, the setting is active right away. From this point on, you should notice fewer interruptions while you work. Whether you're retouching photos, building graphics, or finishing a larger design project, this can help you stay in your creative flow and work more efficiently. Sometimes the best productivity improvements come from small adjustments like this one. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope this tip helps you create a more peaceful and productive Photoshop experience. Happy editing, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tutorials.